Dexian B showed their mettle. Now it's time for A to again repeat. Infotel FC passes on the ball, goes to Dexian A. Dexian A kicks the ball. Oh, there could be an opening, and that's a beautiful. Oh, that's a goal. Within the first 15 seconds. Dexian A. Dinesh from Dexian A scores. Well, if you're a part of the Dexian A family, can we have a round of applause for Dinesh? Come on. Dexian A passes the ball. Beautiful. Okay, once again. Handball free kick. So the goalie happened to have touched the ball outside the D. Since the area of the D is less, being in futsal, there's a free kick awarded. There's a free kick. Oh, an attempt, but very well saved by the defenders of Infotel FCA. There goes another goal! Oh my God! Ashik scores! And no wonder there's cheering for Ashik. Dexian A. Infotel FC. Dexian A cannot be that lenient or careless right now. They need to create more gap. 2-0 is the score so far in favor of Dexian A. 9 minutes remaining, so there is quite a lot that can be done. You never know. Infotel FCA makes a solid comeback. That was a good The ball goes back again, outside. Dexian A with the ball right now, passes the ball, but nobody to receive. Clear. Ooh! That was an interesting shot. Could have been a goal, but it was slightly off. Infotel FCA takes the corner. Okay, the ball again goes out. Blocked by Dexian. Infotel passes the ball. It's an overshot, but Dexian receives it. Dexian passes the ball to number 9. Number 9, and that's a goal. That's a goal. Jobin does the job. 3-0. Dexian A. Again, Dexian steals the ball. Keeping control of the ball right now. 6 minutes, 40 seconds left. Dexian controlling the ball all the way through. Now charging. What would it be? Oh, that was a beautiful attempt. Jobin takes a shot, but it's way off and above. No worries. They are maintaining that pressure on Infotile FCA. You can see the cracks in the game right now. Infotile trying to beat the odds and at least have a go at scoring a goal. But Dexian A refusing to let go of the ball. There you go. A beautiful pass. And that's a goal. That's a goal. Jobin does again. "4-0 is the score. Dexian very much running the game right now. Infotile FC trying to go for it. No, but Dexian constantly denying. Number 10 passes the ball. Dexian still holds the ball right now. Number 4 takes a crack at it, but it's quite above. Nevertheless, a good try. Nirmal from behind the lines, coaching their fellow mates of Dexian. There goes the shot. A beautiful save. It was on target. Dexian with the ball. Kicked off by Infotile FC. Infotile FC struggling. Last 3.5 minutes of the game. Likewise and Toast Tab B. Likewise and Toast Tab B, please start warming up. You're up next. I repeat, Likewise and Toast Tab B, please start warming up. Dexian A with another goal. The score reaching 5-0. Abdul Rahman, the scorer for Dexian A. Dexian passes the ball to the goalie. Goalie passes the ball to number 9. And now it goes out. Dexian once again. Nirmal with ball, passes it to now. Jobin with a beautiful attempt and a very good save by the goalie of Infotel FCA. And there goes another goal. Jobin scores a hat-trick. Can we have a round of applause for him? 3 goals by number 9. Jobin with the ball, passing the ball. Number 10 has from Dexian. Dexian again controlling the narrative. Number 9, Jobin. Number 3 passes to number 10. Crossover to the other end. Number 9, Jobin once again. And there you go. Another goal. 4 goals. 4 goals by Jobin. Dexian A wins 7-0 versus Infotel FCA. Congratulations. Likewise versus Tostar B. Can you please enter the ground?